Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone meets minimum performance. Check CPU, GPU, and at least 4 GB RAM. Once done, update Call of Duty Mobile and any system or GPU firmware so new graphics options appear. Make sure to enable game mode and close background apps to free memory. Plug into power to avoid thermal throttling. These steps unlock higher quality settings and stabilize frame rates, so you can change graphics without the system downclocking or dropping frames during play. You now go into the game settings and open graphics. First, set quality to high or very high, then raise frame rate to very high or the maximum your device supports. Once set, selectively disable heavy post-processing like motion blur and depth of field to improve clarity without huge CPU cost. If your device runs cool, enable HDR and anti-aliasing for sharper visuals, otherwise toggle them off and test. Continually monitor temperature and frame stability while you tweak these options. Finish by applying system-level optimizations. Use custom resolution scaling or a render resolution option to balance detail and performance. You should monitor device temperature. If you see throttling, reduce quality or frame rate and ensure ventilation. Make sure power-saving modes are off and the game has high priority in game mode. If you still experience stutters or crashes after these adjustments, clear the game cache and, if needed, reinstall the app to reset corrupted settings. This typically resolves persistent issues and restores HD visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.